my goodness. Stay over here. You're about to be put in handcuffs. You got 2
No,
seconds.
no. Stop.
Joel here with Bodycam Breakdown TV. Today's footage comes from Crime Time Cam. If you want to watch the original video without my commentary or breakdown, I'll have the full footage linked below so you can watch it start to finish. Officers are called to a public library after reports of a woman creating problems inside. We're picking up as officers arrive and begin working through the situation. The breakdown starts now.
Ma'am, come over here, please. Are you trying to go to jail?
What?
Are you trying to go to jail? I've been
No,
talking to you,
I'm
asking
going to
you.
the bus.
I don't care. Did I not tell you to not go back inside?
No.
I did. I told you not to go back inside.
No, I'm going to the bus.
No.
The officer's wording suggests there may have been prior contact with her, and that matters because he's establishing whether she was already given clear instructions about returning. That gives him context for deciding how to handle the situation from this point forward.
Stay over here. Do you have your ID on you?
No.
Ma'am, if you
I'm
walk
going
away,
to
you're
the
going
bus.
to you are going to go in handcuffs
Why are
and you're
you?
going to
Why are
jail.
you going to tell me that? Why?
Because you're acting
I have
a
my
fool.
kid with me. I'm going literally
Why
to go
would you
see my
walk back
kid's
inside?
dad.
Why would you walk back
Because I
inside?
plugged my phone in.
Did I not tell you
They
not to
didn't
go
have a problem.
inside?
I asked them
Well,
permission.
they called us again because
Well-
you're starting.
The officer is trying to slow the interaction down and get a clear explanation from her, especially given the apparent prior warning. Getting her to stop and answer gives him a chance to clarify why she returned before deciding what comes next.
Again,
I didn't
you have
start
your license
anything.
on you. You are going to be trespassed from the property.
Okay, that's fine.
do you
But
have
I'm
your license on you?
I'm not doing anything wrong.
Yes, you are. You're causing a disturbance.
Okay, I'm
You have
literally
your
trying to
license
get
on
to
you.
my husband.
Ma'am, you are
I'm
making
trying to
this-
get to my husband. He's in the hospital. I'm trying to take my kid
Are
and
you
go down
trying
south.
to go to jail?
No,
So give me your license.
I don't have my license.
Her behavior is making a straightforward identification process more difficult, especially when she can't provide a license. The officer is trying to confirm who he's dealing with and clearly communicate the trespass notice before moving forward.
Any sort of ID.
No,
What is your first name?
Tara. I'm not.
Ma'am, stay
doing
over
it.
here. Oh my goodness. Stay over here. You're about to be put in handcuffs. You got 2
No,
seconds.
no. Stop.
Walking away while the officer is still trying to address the situation changes his options. Verbal direction is no longer producing cooperation. Once he moves to take her into custody, her resistance forces him to shift his attention from communication to gaining control.
Stop resisting.
I'm not. I'm trying to go on the bus.
Stop resisting.
Please. I didn't do anything. I'm not doing anything.
Stop.
Oh my God. No. Why are you doing this?
The officers appear to have better control now, but her continued lack of cooperation still requires their attention. At this stage, they're likely focused on securing her while avoiding unnecessary force or additional complications.
Oh my God. Aiden! I wanted to charge my phone. I didn't do anything. I literally didn't do
Walk
anything.
over to my car. This is
No.
ridiculous.
Stop.
The incident ended with officers taking the woman into custody. She was charged with disorderly intoxication, resisting arrest, criminal trespassing, and battery. What began with officers trying to address her presence at the library changed once cooperation broke down, leaving them with fewer options for resolving the situation through conversation alone. What are your thoughts on how officers handled this incident? Let me know in the comments below. That's it for this video. How do you think officers handled this one? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoy these types of breakdowns, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next breakdown.